Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a soft, fluffy and slightly sweet naan paratha. It's easy, homemade and full of flavor. Let's start this simple but delicious treat. In a bowl, pour half cup warm milk, add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix and keep it aside for 5 minutes to activate. Use warm milk, not hot, to activate the yeast properly. Letting the dough rest help it rise and become fluffy. Now add 1 and 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon oil, add half teaspoon salt. Mix and knead into a soft dough. Rub a little oil on top. Cover and let it rest for 40 minutes. Once it's ready, take some dough, roll it out gently. Don't roll the dough too thin or it won't puff well. Make some cut marks on top. Brush with milk for a golden finish. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and raisin. This milk in the dough makes it extra soft and rich. Sesame seeds add a nutty crunch with every bite. Heat oil on medium heat. Fry the naan paratha on both sides until puffed and golden. Naan is traditionally baked, but this version is fried for a quick fix. Milk and yeast make it easier to digest. Raisin add natural sugar and antioxidants. And that's it, your warm and comforting naan paratha is ready. It's soft, flavorful and absolutely satisfying. Thank you for watching Enoven Cake and Cookies. We will be back soon with more homemade goodness. Have you tried naan at home before? Would you fill this with cheese or keep it plain? Comment below and share your version. Like, share and follow us for more quick home bakes and snacks.